Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by making space and reducing load. Move the PC to a ventilated spot with at least 2 to 6 inches of clearance and avoid soft surfaces. Once done, open Task Manager and close resource-hungry apps so temperatures drop quickly. Next, set Windows Power to Balanced or Power Saver while diagnosing. High performance forces higher heat. Finally, install pending Windows updates to ensure drivers and thermal management improvements are applied. Now you dig into diagnostics and cooling. Run a temperature monitor like HW Monitor or Core Temp and record idle versus load numbers so you know what to target. Then open BIOS or your laptop vendor utility and adjust fan curves to start fans earlier and spin faster under load. This reduces peak temperature. While powered off, clean dust from vents and fans using canned air. If thermal spikes persist on a desktop, consider replacing or reapplying thermal paste to restore proper heat transfer. Finish by reducing heat at the source and validating stability. You can undervolt or set a modest CPU power limit with Intel XDU or Ryzen controller to drop temperatures while keeping performance. Make incremental changes and test. Update GPU drivers and disable overlays or background apps that cause steady GPU load. If problems persist, boot safe mode, reinstall or roll back drivers, and test components one at a time. Swap RAM or GPU if possible to isolate hardware faults. This single troubleshooting step often reveals the culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.